Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun with Fiber. And this week we are doing the friend spin, the friend pick spin. Okay, so here's our wheel, and these are the names of the folks who have indicated that they want to be on this. And hey, if any of you guys want to go on this, just let me know. Just drop a note down in the comments and I'll add your name to the wheel and maybe you'll get picked. Okay, so let's spin the wheel and see who gets to pick our project for this week. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Last week it was Pinky Jean, or last month it was Pinky Jean. And, oh, ha, ha, ha. Okay, so Mr. gets to pick our project that we're going to work on this week. And the way it works is he will get to choose whether we work on a stitching project, a crochet project, or a knit project. And I'm actually going to throw sewing into that mix because there's a couple sewing things that I want to make. And then he gets to choose whether I start something new or work on an existing project. So for an existing project, we can spin that wheel for the WIP wheel, or he can just say, I want you to work on such and such. Okay, so I'm going to go away now and I'm going to let Mr. know that he gets to pick my project this week. I'm going to be really interested to see what he picks. He probably will want me to get something finished if I were to guess. So we'll see you guys soon and see what he picks. Hey, welcome back to Fun with Fiber. So as you saw at the beginning of this video, I spun the wheel, the Friends wheel, because that's the week it is, and it landed on Mr. So lucky for me, he was able to track down, and I took a moment and explained to him what the process is, because yeah, he's heard it before, but you know. So, and I got to tell you, he surprised me. He really did surprise me. And before I tell you what he picked, let me show you how last week's project is going. So if you recall, last week's project was the knitting project. And instead of spinning the wheel, I chose to start a project that was part of a knit along, a fun event up at my knitting store, which is called Applewood Yarn Barn. If I can find a link, I'll put it in the description below. Cute little place, really cute, really fun, very welcoming. And it's one of those places, it's one of those knitting stores that doesn't make crocheters feel uncomfortable. They're very welcoming of everybody. So that's nice. They are doing an event in association with the Olympics. And we're in different teams, and we are knitting a project. They give you a list of projects you could work on. I chose a scarf, and they also had a special category for using up your yarn stash. Well, I chose to use up my scraps, and I had a great big bag of them. Plus, I had another container of them out in the motorhome. And I got to tell you, I went through everything that was in my original bag, and I had to pull more from the motorhome. So I'm very pleased with how much scraps I'm using up. I started to make this scarf, as you guys saw. The scarf it's getting a little out of hand, to say the least. So I showed this to my granddaughter, and she liked it. So I said, fine, it's yours, no problemo. And I knew I was going to be using my yarn held. I'm using it held triple, but sometimes it's more than that, because if I've got a 2 weight or even a 1 weight, I'm doubling that up and then holding that with this. So sometimes I've got like 5 or 6 yarns here that I'm holding together. And so I wanted it to be nice and wide. So I cast on 55. So this is how wide this, and remember, this is a scarf. Yeah, because I was thinking, oh, that'd be a fun, you know, one of those giant scarves. Okay, so it's 2 feet wide. It's 2 feet wide. And so far, this is where we're at on this thing. It's really turning out pretty. I'm quite surprised at how much I like the colors. So let's see if I can fold this. I don't want to drop any stitches. I don't want to drop any stitches. Although I don't think they're going to go anywhere if they do drop. Okay, that's more safer. Isn't that pretty? I am so surprised at how fun the colors are turning out. And I am literally, I'm kind of I mean, I'm not like choosing them, but I'm kind of sort of going a dark color, a light color, and a medium color when I'm grabbing. So like if I ran out of one, whatever color it was, dark, light, medium, I kind of grab one in that same range, but not always. As you can see right now, I kind of have I would call this a chocolate brown. And then this is a variegated, so it changes from pink to beige to gray, because this is the top of that. And then I've got this multicolored greeny. It kind of looks like my Sasquatch yarn, but it isn't. It's a different one. So it's growing. It's 3 feet long right now, and I planned on doing 6 feet. I have already got 5 full skeins of yarn into this. Over 500 grams of yarn into this thing. So it is definitely taking on a life of its own, but it's so pretty. So I told my granddaughter, if you don't like this, I mean, it's heavy. I said, if you don't like this, I will turn this into a blanket. I'll turn it into a dog bed. I'll do something else with it when we're done with this event. And I have a little more leeway, but for right now, it's a scarf. So that's the main thing I've been working on. Get that out of the way. My puppy's over here on the floor. And so, really surprised me. Okay. So Mr. came up on the draw, and I said, okay, you have to pick knit, crochet, stitching, work on, you choose something, I spin the wheel, whatever you want. And he said crochet. Okay, that surprised me a little bit. I don't know why, but it did. And I guess I do know why. Because I've got 2 knit projects that are for him. One of them is a vest, and one of them is that pair of socks that's been hanging around for 2 years now that I need to start over. So I thought for sure he would pick one of the things that I'm working on for him. Nope. Crochet. And I said, okay. Do you want me to spin the wheel or you want to pick something? He said, I want you to pick whatever is the closest to being finished so you can get something done. Okay. Well, so now we're back to working on the elephant squares, because all I got to do now is sew these things together and do a border. Who knew? Yeah, he's tired of the 4 million half-finished projects being around here. So that's what this week's project is going to be. And actually, I'm really loving it, because honestly, if he had picked one of his own, the projects I'm making for him, I would have got this much done, and then, it would have gone back in the pile. So this way, I'll actually be able to get something finished. And I can't imagine that I wouldn't be able to get this done in a week, unless it turns into, the week from what, which is always a possibility in my world. But I'm going to give it my very best shot to get this done. So we can thank Mr. for choosing something that was a really, really good choice. And I'm excited to get this thing finished. Next week is stitching. So we're going to be spinning the wheel of stitching, I think. Or is it crochet? Might be crochet. I'm going to have to go back and look and see what order. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's crochet. Yeah, because that's when I picked this up again. All right. So it's crochet, it's fringe, then crochet, then stitching, then knitting, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to have to go back and look. But I think that's the order that it goes in. And if it gets out of order, not the end of the world. All right. Thank you guys for popping in today. Please like, please subscribe. Please send this off to somebody you think might enjoy it. And we'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.